I'm here at 747 Tiburon Boulevard. It's a 3-bed, 3.5 bath with over 2,800 square feet, overlooking the San Francisco Bay Trail and Golden Gate Bridge. Here we have a 4-car garage with a lift. Past the fully enclosed gate. Come to a beautiful grass yard. There's a hot tub and a roof deck above the garage that takes in views all the way from Mount Tam to the Golden Gate Bridge and the city of San Francisco. Ground floor is entirely open concept with a dyed concrete flooring. Here's an area for your dining table. Windows line the entire front facing towards the bay. We have a Edite marble counter that could easily fit 6 to 8 chairs and a large chef's kitchen. The professional grade stove, wine fridge, large refrigerator, as well as a Bosch dishwasher and pantry. This door leads to a concrete patio, perfect place to put a barbecue. Living room is quite large with a large TV and a gas fireplace. Off the living room is a half bath with a single vanity with storage, as well as a little AV closet. Going upstairs, we come to the bedroom level. Here we have our stacked washer and dryer right next to the primary suite. Primary suite has a large walk-in closet and can easily fit a king bed as well as a seating area. Also has a gas fireplace, large TV. And from the bed, you're able to see the Golden Gate Bridge. Off the bedroom is its own private balcony, which overlooks the grounds, as well as the bay. Right across is the San Francisco Bay Trail, leading right up to the Tiburon ferry. There's an ensuite bath with a large standing shower with 2 shower heads, dual vanities with storage, and a beautiful soaking tub. Mechanical closet to my right. Here we have 2 additional bedrooms. Each can fit a king bed, and they have ensuite baths with a single vanity with storage and a shower over the tub. And a standard size closet. Both bedrooms have doors leading out to a shared patio space with Mount Tam views. Here's our second bedroom. Again, can fit a king bed. This room has an absolutely spectacular view and has a single vanity with storage and a shower over the tub. As well as a standard closet.